Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Dodge Ram mirrors. Start by identifying mirror type and gathering a 10 mm socket, plastic pry tool, and replacement mirror before you begin. Remove the interior trim carefully to access mounting bolts and wiring harness. Work with patience to avoid cracking clips and label connectors for correct reassembly. Test mirror operation before tightening all fasteners and reconnecting the battery to confirm power and heating functions work properly. Begin by removing the access cover or interior door panel to expose the mirror bolts and wiring harness. Carefully unplug the harness and secure the connectors away from the hole so they do not fall back into the door cavity. While supporting the mirror with one hand, remove the 3 mounting bolts with a 10 mm socket and gently pull the mirror straight out to avoid scratching paint or breaking clips. Set the old mirror aside and inspect mounting points. Feed the replacement mirror wiring through the door cavity and align the mirror to the mounting studs before seating it firmly against the door. Hand thread the mounting bolts first to ensure proper alignment, then tighten them evenly with a socket and proper torque to avoid distortion. Reconnect the wiring harness and reconnect the battery to test power, heating, and adjustment functions before reinstalling the trim. Finally, confirm mirror stability and clean any fingerprints from the glass.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.